In the exciting landscape of gaming peripherals, finding the perfect headset can be a daunting task. Today, we're diving deep into the Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless gaming headset, a premium offering that's caught the attention of gamers worldwide. Let's explore whether this high-end peripheral lives up to its reputation and justifies its price point. At first glance, what sets the Virtuoso apart is its exceptional build quality. Corsair hasn't cut any corners here, utilizing machined aluminum throughout the construction, from the headband to the ear cups. This premium material choice not only contributes to the headset's durability, but also maintains a surprisingly lightweight profile, essential for those marathon gaming sessions. Speaking of comfort, Corsair has implemented some thoughtful design choices. The memory foam ear pads are particularly noteworthy, as they intelligently conform to your head shape, creating a personalized fit that remains comfortable even after hours of use. The pillow-soft headband complements this design, distributing weight evenly across your head and preventing the dreaded pressure points that plague many gaming headsets. But the real magic happens when we delve into the audio capabilities. The Virtuoso employs a matched pair of 50mm high-density neodymium drivers, carefully tuned to deliver an impressive frequency range of 20 Hz to 40,000 Hz. To put this in perspective, that's double the range of typical gaming headsets. This expanded frequency response translates to richer bass, clearer mids, and more detailed highs, creating an immersive soundscape that brings games to life. The wireless connectivity is another standout feature, utilizing Corsair's proprietary Slipstream wireless technology. This isn't your standard Bluetooth connection. We're talking about high-fidelity, ultra-low latency audio with an exceptional 60-foot range. This means you can grab a snack from the kitchen without missing a beat in your game chat. The headset maintains a stable connection throughout its impressive range, though walls and other obstacles can impact performance, as with any wireless device. For those concerned about technical specifications, the Virtuoso boasts a headphone sensitivity of 109 dB with a variance of plus or minus 3 dB and an impedance of 32 ohms at 2.5 kHz. These specs ensure powerful, clear audio output without requiring additional amplification. The 7.1 surround sound capability adds another layer of immersion, though it's worth noting this feature isn't supported on Apple M1 chip devices. Communication is crucial in gaming, and the Virtuoso's microphone doesn't disappoint. The 9mm broadcast-grade, omnidirectional, detachable microphone offers exceptional dynamic range and vocal clarity. Its high-bandwidth design and excellent low-end response ensure your teammates hear every call-out with crystal clarity. The detachable nature of the mic also means you can easily transform the headset into a regular pair of headphones for casual listening. Battery life is a critical consideration for any wireless device, and the Virtuoso offers up to 20 hours of use on a single charge. While this isn't class-leading, some competitors offer 30+ hours. It's sufficient for most gaming sessions. The headset also includes multiple connectivity options: wireless, 3.5mm wired, and USB wired, with the latter supporting 24-bit 96 kHz audio for audiophiles who demand the highest quality. Corsair's IQ software adds another layer of customization to the experience. Through this interface, users can adjust equalizer settings, control the RGB lighting on the ear cups, and fine-tune the surround sound experience. The micro-perforation RGB lighting adds a subtle but elegant touch to the headset's aesthetic, though it's worth noting that enabling these lights will impact battery life. The current market positioning of the Virtuoso is interesting, with a retail price of $199, but often available for $120.99. This pricing places it in the premium segment of gaming headsets, competing with offerings from brands like SteelSeries and Razer. For international buyers, it's worth noting that shipping costs can add significantly to the price. For example, shipping to Denmark incurs an additional $25 fee. Customer feedback has been predominantly positive, with the headset maintaining a solid 4 out of 5-star rating from over 5,800 reviews. Users consistently praise the build quality, sound performance, and microphone clarity. However, some customers have expressed concerns about the battery life, suggesting it might not meet everyone's expectations for a premium wireless headset. Compatibility is straightforward but limited. The Virtuoso works with PC and PS4, making it a solid choice for players who game on these platforms. However, the lack of Xbox support and limited functionality with Apple M1 devices might be a deal breaker for some potential buyers. When we consider the overall package, the premium build quality, impressive sound performance, comfortable design, and versatile connectivity options, the Corsair Virtuoso RGB wireless gaming headset presents a compelling option for serious gamers. While it may not be perfect, with battery life being a notable limitation, it successfully delivers on its promise of providing a high-fidelity audio experience for discerning players. The question isn't whether the Virtuoso is a good headset. It clearly is, but rather whether it's the right headset for your specific needs. If you prioritize sound quality, build durability, and comfort over battery life, and primarily game on PC or PS4, the Virtuoso could be an excellent investment in your gaming setup. However, if you need cross-platform compatibility or require longer battery life, you might want to explore other options in the market. Don't wait. Click the link below to get yours today.